Hey guys, are you worried about losing your important files? In this video I will show you how to back up your data on Windows 11 step by step. So let's get started. Go to search bar, type on settings, open it. Now in the list click on accounts. Now scroll down a bit, look for Windows backup. As you can see here, click on it. Now for backing on data you have to turn on the OneDrive backup. Click on setup syncing and you have to log in here with your email and password, and you can set up OneDrive for Windows backing up. So guys, this easy tutorial will help you how can you easily back up your Windows 11 files. Whether you use OneDrive file history or a full system backup, you will always be protected. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.